Picture yourself in the 2022 Nissan Murano. This sporty Murano was designed with your lifestyle in mind. From its generous cargo space to its silky smooth ride to its advanced safety and infotainment tech, this deluxe midsize crossover infuses every journey with confidence. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, fog lamps, electronic stability control, blind spot monitor, trip computer, bucket seats, power windows, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Make the most of every journey when you travel in the comfort of this well-designed Murano. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.